are you all? I hope you all are enjoying at your place and you all are absolutely fine. Winters आ गई हैं, थोड़े से वूलन कपड़े पहनना स्टार्ट कर दो, ठंड में बीमार नहीं होना है। अपने पैरों में सॉक्स और शूज हमेशा डाले रखने हैं, नहीं उतारने हैं और घर पे पैक होकर रहना है क्योंकि बाहर कोरोना है ना? I hope you all are clear with the sound of double E and double L. E and L. Today we will do the words of sound of double O. Firstly we will do the short sound of double O. What is this? Foot. What is this? Foot. Stress on ut, foot. O. Foot. Double O but sound is short. Double O but sound is short. Foot. What is this? Which picture is this? Wood. 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 Again, short sound of double O. Wood. What is this? Yes, this is book. This is book. Book. Short sound. Book. Foot. Wood. Book. Who is he? Yes, you can understand by the cap of this boy. Yes, he is cook. 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 Who make food for us? Cook. Which picture is this? Hook. 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 Eyes. What is the work of eye? Look. 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 These are the words of short sound of vowel double O. Start reading after me. Foot, wood, book, cook, hook and look. These are the words of short sound of double O. After reading this, after doing this, we will do the long sound of double O. Let's see the words. Okay children, let's start the words of long sound of double O. O, double O. Right? Tell me the picture. Which picture is this? Moon. See, earlier we did short sound. Hook. Look. Sound is short. Hook. Look. Cook. Isn't it? Now we will do the long sound. Moon. Ooh. Long sound. Moon. Ma. Ooh. No. Moon. Here the sound is long. Double O but sound is long. Moon. Right. Now what is this? Wool. स्वेटर्स डालते हैं ना हम, किसके बनते हैं? वूल के. कैसे बोलेंगे? वूल. Oola. Wool. Sound is again long. Long sound is there. What is this? This is pool. Pool. स्विमिंग करते हैं ना हम लोग पूल में, करते हैं ना? This is pool. Sound is long. Pool. What is this? This is boot. Again, sound is long. Speak after me. Boot. 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 Sound is long. Boot. Tool. Tool. Sound is long. Double O sound, but sound is long. Tool. What is this? Yes, this is spoon. 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 Hoop. What is this? This is hoop. We do aerobics with this hoop. Hoop. Double O, long sound. Yes, this is zoo. 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 सब बच्चे गए ना zoo में? Now read after me, okay? With proper sound. Moon. Long sound. Moon. Wool. Pool. Boot. Tool. Spoon. Hoop. And zoo. This is the difference of long sound and the short sound. We are using double O, but somewhere its sound is short and in some words its sound is long. I hope if you will practice these words, definitely you will recognize the difference between long sound and the short sound. Okay, for that you have to practice a lot of reading. With the help of reading only, you will able to read easily. Maximum reading will help you. Okay, very soon I will meet you in the next video. For the time being, bye bye, take care, do reading.